Hi Dress-So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the lowercase letters A through F from alphabet lore, part 1. So let's get started. To draw this first set of lowercase letters, let's start with the letter A. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw basically a rounded off square. So come right here and just draw a big round square. Something like that, and then we're going to come inside and draw the same thing. And then we're just going to come in here and shade this all in. So with all the letters, we're going to start with the eyes first. Just makes it a little bit easier. Then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, about right here, and draw another one. Same thing. There. Now that my eye's in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the mouth. So say about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve, and then I'm going to bring it down at an angle in between the eyes. Same thing here, and about there I'm going to go ahead and connect it and round off the corners. Then we're going to, since these are baby letters, right, lowercase, I'll just put in a little tooth right here, just to make it extra cute. And then now to draw the letter A, let's start about right here on this eye. And I'm going to come up and bring a curve to about right there. Well, let's actually, you know what, let's bring this over all the way through. So we're going to draw this line, this curve right here. And then about right, let's see here, kind of like where the edge of this mouth is, we're going to come up about right here. And then we're going to draw the top tail. Top arm. So we're just going to bring out a curve to about right here, kind of like this area right here, and then go up. So we're going to go up straight to thicken it up, and we want to bring it back down to about right here where the eye is. So let's come about right here and round it off and come down. So everything is nice and round. All the corners, everything is nice and round. We just want to make it extra cute. Okay, so, and soft. So from there, let's imagine this coming through the eye and about right here. It's going to pop out, and we're just going to draw a curve. And then this is going to come down about right here. And this is going to come across. So about right here, I'm just going to add a little tail, come down, and connect. There, so we have our letter A. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw B. So everything is this is going to determine the size of your letter. So B is going to be, let's say about right here. I'm going to start next to it, and we're going to start with some eyes once again. And let's say about right here, B's eyes are at a slant. So once again, I'm drawing those rounded off squares, but this time at a slant. There, one, and then another one right next to it. Go up and come down. There, and then from there we're going to draw a curve right in here for some eyes, very silly, happy eyes, and another one right here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to give our little B here a little nose. So right here where the eye is. And this is going to determine the curve. It's going to come out right here for the mouth. They're going to come about right here and curve right back to where the nose is. So we're just drawing this cute little mouth, and then right here we're going to bring this down. And I'm going to aim to say about the same level as the A. And then let's bring this up. So about right here, bring up to say about right there. And the arm of our B is a lot thicker. So I'm going to come across and bring it to about here. Come down to to about this, the eye of this corner right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and draw a big curve and bring it back to here. And connect. There. And then the mouth, almost forgot. Let's come back into the space. I'm going to draw a soft curve and then very lightly draw a line right here and here for some teeth. Bring it out a little bit more. There, so we have our B. Round this off a little bit more. Okay, so then now for C. So once again, the eyes. So with C right here, the eyes are slanted. So we're gonna come about right here. Once again, all kind of in the center area. So say about right here, I'll start. And we're gonna draw this slanted. So go up, and then come down. Slanted eyes. So then another one about right here. Going the other way and in. Then let's come in here, some lids, top and bottom, and then the eye right here in this area, and I'll shade this part in so you can see it a little bit better, and then same thing here. And the bottom lid and the eye. There. And then now to draw the C, right? The letter C. So I'll start about right here where the eye is, and I'll draw the top part of our C. So it'll come out nice and wide, and then about right here, round it off, and I'm going to bring it back to about here. So just keep that in mind. Or you can go this way, it's all up to you, whatever is easiest. We just want to draw this big arm coming out and connect. So it's not going to be perfect, exact as the original alphabet lore, but as long as it's close, right, then we know immediately when we look at it that it is the alphabet lore letters. And the most important part is the eyes, just to get the right expression on them. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to imagine this, and it's going to bring a curve coming down for the bottom portion. So once again, it's like I'm making mine a little bit different, a little bit rounder. And bring it through. And then once again, we want to end about the same level, so nice and thick, about right there. And connect. There. And then for the teeth, of course. So let's come about here. We draw some of these silly teeth. One, and then another one here. And two more at the bottom. So this one is a little connected to the eye area, and then another one by itself. There. Okay, so C, A, B, C. Now we got D. So D is really silly. I really love the expression on D. So let's come about right here, and once again, right underneath. Give myself some space. So let's see about right here. Go ahead, and then once again, draw those eyes. And one more in the back. And let's come right here, the lower lid, and then the eye, and shade this part in. And same thing over here. There. And then just like B right here, we're going to come down and we're going to go across for a mouth right underneath that eye and curve. So we're going to curve up slightly, and then right here we're going to come down. So before we finish that, let's come back up, imagining this coming through, and about right here we're going to pop it up for the top of our D. So, and then about right here, I'm going to go up just like my B. And about right there, just like my B. I'll stop and go across. Nice and thick, and then come down. So let's bring this down. And about right there. And connect. There. And then the teeth, of course, I always forget. So come back into this space right here, and we're just going to draw. This one's a little bit curved, and then a line, and then shape this part in. There. And then for E. And so E, right here underneath B, we're going to come about, let's say about right here. I'll start, once again, right kind of where the eyes are, so that be about right here. Then we're going to start with a smaller, rounded off square, and then a bigger one. Right next to it, and then heavy lids on this one here. So a lot more space at the top, and then the eyes, and one more right there. And then let's come back to this area where the eye is, about the center area, and we're just going to draw the inside loop of our E. So I'm just going to bring a loop all the way back to here. Then from there, let's come underneath the eyes, and we're just going to draw this curve, comes down, and it's going to go around the eyes for our lowercase e and go all the way up and around. So then let's come back right here, round this off for the mouth, and we're going to draw the tail part of our E. So of course, when you're drawing these letters, you have to keep in mind the letter shape itself, right? So, and E. We're just adding eyes to them, basically. Okay, so we have that, and then now the teeth. So come about right here, and we're going to put in a big row of teeth all the way here, and one more at the bottom. Goes all the way. There, for our silly E. Okay, so then now that we have our E in, let's make this a little bit thinner. Let's draw our F. So F is, let's see here, kind of like it always reminds me of a big alligator. So we're going to start at the top area, so about in the center of this C. So let's say about right here, I'll start. And once again, round it off squares. One, and then one slightly in the back. And draw the inside. So just follow your outside and then shade it in just like the A. And same thing here. There. Now for the mouth area, so I'm going to come back to where the eye is, about right here. I'm going to pop out a curve and another one that's about right here. So I'm just going to bring out this nose, I'll call it, and connect right about here in this area, and then a row of teeth that come back to about right here. And the two lines for the teeth. Then it's going to imagine it's coming through, so it's going to pop out about right here and here. I'm going to pop out the neck of our F, and about right here we're going to bring it down to open up the mouth and come down again and in. So this is still coming through, just remember that, and then just going to bring it down to the same level as our E. So this is going to come through, pop it out about right here, just a little bit. And at a slight angle, we're going to bring our F down to about right here. There. So, and then the bottom row of teeth down, and then 2 lines. And so F is pretty much black, so I'll just come in here real quick and shade in F first. And I'm basically just going to go ahead after I finish shading in F and color all the other letters for you. So they're all done. I really hope you love watching me draw and color these lowercase letters from Alphabet Lore, and that I helped you draw them fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.